Let your love speak. Say, "Thank you for inviting me to your wonderful home." By sharing something with you that will make it even more wonderful. Look forward to helpful features, so seamless and easy to use that you'll forget they're working for you. You'll love how Thermomix makes cooking fun for everyone, and how every dish becomes a guaranteed success. The joy of cooking knows no age. It's for everyone and unites us at our table, creating unforgettable culinary moments. Let's see what it can do for your life. And yours. And yours. And say it with the best Thermomix ever. Thermomix, like never before. The all-new TM7.